In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the history of which buttons were pressed, at what time they were pressed, and how long it took people to respond to those buttons, as well as how to save that information as an Excel spreadsheet so that you always have access to it, even if you don't have the software open. So after you've logged into the software, you will click on History, and now you select the date from which you want the history to show as. So I only wanted to show, let's say, from last week Monday until today, and then I will click on confirm. Oh, there was only one button. Let's change that a bit. Let's say I wanted from the beginning of June until today. Okay, and now I want to save all of this information on an Excel spreadsheet. So I just right click on that and I click on export to Excel file. It will automatically run through all the information and create an Excel sheet for you. So now all you need to do is close this. Let's minimize that. And here it's opened a sheet for you, and you can change this to however you want it to show, and then you can just save this. So let's save this on my desktop, and I want it to save as a test sheet with today's date, and you just click on save. So now you have all that information saved in an Excel spreadsheet. It shows you what date the call button was pressed, at what time it was pressed, which button it was, as well as how long it took this person to respond to that call. So this call was 50 seconds before it was attended to. That is the time it was attended to. Okay, that is basically it. Thank you very much for watching.